victory and reign and a graceful symbol of youthful grace and promise, stands as a visible mark of rank, honor, and distinction. Sash bearer, our sash bearer is John Paul Napulanga. Let's give him a round of applause. Bearer, a fragrant symbol of beauty, triumph, and admiration, our bouquet bearer is Rafi Dos Fuentes Atadero. A round of applause, please. Sweet messengers of innocence and joy, whose true petal to bless the path, symbolizing hope, Rosa, and makes me tito, vibrant, delicate, and a student of San Roque National High School. She is from the Tolda Christianity, and she is the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Rowell and Milagros Vicente. Escorted by Albert Vicente, our Queen of Flowers 2026, let's welcome Miss Nicole Vicente. Let's give her a big round of applause.